service eBay Assistant Program. This eBay Assistant Program is a program where you get your own assistant. We have 4 currently, and they are going to be working to help you on your eBay. I am currently headed to a drop off for some phones, and then I'm going to be showing you guys in a warehouse exactly what we do as far as the products that we have at a disposal. This program is not necessarily built to make you millions of dollars. It's built to build your store. This program is not a program where we're trying to get you banned. We're not trying to list 35 products a week. All of these things actually matter because they show different results per different eBay account. You got some eBay accounts that are just brand new. You have some eBay accounts that have been established for a while. What we do is we actually break this down per product per week. So we have 3 packages, okay? The first package is going to be 7 products a week. The second package is going to be 14 products a week. And then the third is going to be 21 products a week. Now, we will not only list these products, but we will revise these products, and we will also make sure that we're shipping these products. Now, these products may change because it does change throughout the week on which products are actually selling. Now, what I'm going to show you guys is how we maneuver, use these products to help our clientele make money. And the best part about it is we are not working with an unlimited amount of people, because we already have an eBay automation that we were doing, and it's not enrolling right now. But this eBay Assistant Program is going to help people the same way, but it's going to actually give you more of a cheaper cost to entry, and also give you more when it comes to products per week, as eBay automation was sporadic, right? This, you actually do have a goal of how many products you actually will be able to sell. So our first package is $149, and that's going to be the starter plug package, where you get 7 products every single week listed for you by an assistant. Now, your assistant will take some products down, relist other products to get you the best results. And one of the biggest things is you will, of course, be able to keep 100% of the profit. You're paying your eBay assistant to work on your eBay. You're paying for them to be consistent, answer customers, so you don't have to do all of that hard work. You're delegating it to someone that is just delegating their time and efforts to your eBay. The next package is Hustler Plug, and this is going to give you 14 listings a week. It's $299 because you're also getting access to the community. So all digital products you'll get unlimited book calls with me, and you'll also be able to connect with your assistant via DM, direct message, and also email. Now, the starter plug, that package, they're only going to get email. You're going to get direct connection, and you're going to get connection to me in the community, while you're also able to have live classes too. So the $299 isn't just for you to get the 14 products listed on eBay, because mainly we're not focused on keeping you as a client with this program. We really want you to be able to do it yourself. We want you to be able to see the 14 products a week that are selling, and be able at the end of the month to say, you know what, I'm going to take this task and do it myself. Or you can work a deal out with your assistant and keep them working for you. But it's all about scaling and building. We don't want to hold you back. We don't want you to be spending $299 when you can be putting that money towards more products, more inventory. And I'm just being honest, a lot of services, they're focused more so on trying to keep you recurring, coming back. We don't want to do that. We want to keep making money, but also moving product. The product is king, not someone doing it for you, if you have the time to do it yourself. Now, people that may have a job, or may not have that much time, they actually can have somebody and delegate that task. But again, guys, it's always good to know how to do it yourself as well. And lastly, we're talking about the executive plug. This is 21 products a week, 84 products a month. This is $5.99. You don't only get the community, you don't only get your assistant, and you don't only get the support. Now you get progress reports at the end of the week. You get a 15-minute call every single week on Sunday to break down your eBay store's results, so we can actually break down what's trending, what's not. We're giving you the direction that you need to go as far as with your products. And this is for the person that wants to use their money as a tool to make their eBay store even more progressive. 84 products. We're talking about low, mid, and high, which we'll talk about in a second when I show you guys products that we do list and products we have access to. Not only electronics, we're talking about home goods, we're talking about clippers, we're talking about car mounts, we're talking about so much. And again, I'm going to show you guys how many packages we're shipping out, how much we're trying to continue to build. Guys, I started this around 10 years ago. I've been working with these assistants for a long time. I've seen them scale not only their eBays, but 848 people's eBays in counting. We're trying to grow, but most importantly, we're trying to help people understand that it's not about the service. It's more so about you having somebody working for you while you're also learning how to do it yourself so that you can always be as proficient as possible. So let's go ahead and see what options we have as far as in the warehouse. And we don't just have this warehouse, we have multiple different distributors and suppliers that we utilize with a whole bunch of different products. Okay, so we're talking about latex gloves. So we do have these available as well. So if you don't know, these are like low ticket items, but they do sell too. And again, something as simple as this you probably would overlook, but these come in handy, especially when we're selling business to business. Next, we're talking about tablet cases. So we're talking about cases for Android and also cases for Apple. It's very, very simple. But again, guys, these sell and you have the ability to sell them as well. All right, guys, so here's cases. So cases are important to sell, of course. And there's a bunch we're talking about from Galaxy all the way to 12s. What I prefer to sell, honestly, is I like MagSafe cases. And MagSafe cases are important in my opinion because they give you an upsell with the MagSafe charger battery pack. So that's really important. Now, next, let's talk about some TV mounts. So 100% gluten is funny, but this is something that I have actually just started selling. When I talk about profit margin, I will tell you guys this, like something like this cost me $25 to acquire. We sell it for $45 to $50 and it does work. Then you got clippers as well. So I love this packaging. The packaging does stick out and I could see me selling this in store. I don't know if I personally have a target market for it, but again, I see people on platforms like Amazon and eBay selling these, and this is actually something that you could sell. Of course, headsets, but you know, I talk a lot about these, right? I talk about a lot about the Maxes, but there are other headsets that are available. So when it comes to generic headsets, I think that the extra bass are really good. I also think that, where are they at? I think that the Langs Dome headphones have good quality too. So these are probably going to be my favorite when it comes to packaging because this is a company that actually cares about their packaging and their marketing. And it actually is pretty good, as you guys see. You have the Langs Dome. In my opinion, I believe this is just the warranty that it comes with. And again, the packaging is pretty well. All right, so screen protectors as well. And again, the screen protectors for all new devices. We're talking about privacy and we're talking about battery cases as well. Battery cases sell good too. And of course, if you're looking to actually start selling battery cases, start with 13s all the way up to 16s. And of course, I promise you'll get sales because people always want to keep their phones alive. Now we're talking about car accessories. As you see, a bunch of car accessories, including car mounts, which I'll show you guys in a second, but these are car chargers. We have a bunch of different types, but in my opinion, my favorite ones are going to be the ones that have Bluetooth, and also where it's going to be let me find it. Going to always be these, which are going to be the USB and Type-C together. These don't cost that much, guys. I pay around $3.50 to $4. I sell these for around $8.50 to $10.50. And again, this is something we provide for you. You do not pay for this until it sells. So seasonal items as well. So these, of course, are heaters. We have a few in stock. So again, guys, this is something that we list as well. Charging adapters, very important. You want to make sure that you're bundling. This is a good way to bundle via packaging. And not only that, this is 20-watt USB charger, so this is a fast charger as well. And then for the Androids, of course, we have the 25-watt, which is a really good charger. Next, we're talking about headphones, okay? So we have generic headphones. We have a bunch of Langs Dome extra bass headphones that sell well. These sell good. The black ones do too, which are not in stock. Again, but these are some of my best sellers, my favorite ones to sell. As you see, they're almost gone. These are really good headphones. Next, when you talk about car mounts, I love the car mounts. The car mounts are very cheap, but at the same time, they add value to your store, which you can utilize. Charging towers are good too. This is a 30-watt charging tower. This is a fast charger, and also this is something that you can put on a desk. This is something you can sell business to business. This sells really well too. Ring lights, you can sell these to influencers. You can sell these all the time. I'm telling you right now, especially on Amazon, places like that, the ring lights are really good. These, to my understanding, there's something that does not come with a stand, so we're working on getting ones that come with stands. That's really important in my opinion, but they do sell. Neon rope lights. So these rope lights we do list up too. These we list for influencers too, which is the 3.5 ring light mount. Now we're talking about the charging pads. So you have a regular standing charging stand, another charging stand, another charging stand, another charging stand, but this is the 4-in-1 charging pad. And then of course we have already shown you guys the 3-in-1 charging pad. Another good seller, guys, are the little, I call these charging towers. But again, these are really good because they are sought after. This is a smaller version. This is a bigger version. And then we have the tower version, okay? These sell good on eBay too. More charging bundles, guys, more charging bundles. Of course, charging pods. Charging pods are really well too. They sell good. Of course, you guys know how I feel about these, but these are really good sellers. Here are Labubus, guys. So these Labubus, obviously, I talk a lot about Labubus. You will have some of these listed as well. And again, one of the good things is these are impulsive buys. We find trending products. We sell the trending products, high quality. And this is exactly what we will be looking at, trying to make sure helps you. As far as with your store, there's a bunch of different options, and the options always vary, not just with the regular, but also different trending with characters. And I love this, man. I love the different types and also the pricing. These right here, I'm talking about $7 to $9, but we can get them as low as $5. And then let's talk about chargers. So when it comes to chargers, guys, it's a different type. It's a different type of ball game because it's different type of quantities. I like selling chargers that are really resemblant to Apple. Like when it comes to colors, I do like colors because they are vibrant, they stick out, but I'd rather sell chargers like this, where it's a 6-foot charger, but it looks very discreet, very regular, right? And these are the type of chargers that we are going to be able to sell for you, and we're going to be able to put on your store in bundles. As you see, we can do 6-piece, we can do 12-piece, we can do 200-piece, we can do as many as we need to sell. Not just that, we have these bundles as well, and we have more underneath. All right, we have speakers, more speakers, more speakers. More speakers, and again, you want to use speakers, especially on eBay. They sell fast. Okay, we can't forget about the MagSafe charger. My favorite charger to sell is the MagSafe charger right now, currently. I do like these other chargers that make it more portable and affordable for people. But again, you'll be able to sell these on eBay too, as these sell too. And then you have other options like the 20,000 mAh. We have more 30,000, even 30,000 right here. But again, you have bigger ones, 55,000. So these are chargers that can be listed too. Yesterday was a long day. I ended up having to cut my filming short because we're getting a snowstorm and some packages had to go out. But I just want to let you guys know, as far as the eBay assistance program, these aren't just the products that we have available. We have multiple different variations, and also we always are trying to invent and find more products and suppliers. But the point of this video is to show you that you have a connection, and I can be that connection. Whether you guys are getting the service, whether it's eBay assistance program or if it's eBay automation, no matter what, it can even be the fact that you're watching me here. Make sure you guys subscribe, because this is something that I enjoy doing, something I love, and I am someone that is not here just to try and entertain you. I want to be informative, and I appreciate you guys for watching the video, liking the video, comment, help me in the algorithm, and I will see you guys in the next video. But before I go, I do want to address one more question. For everyone that is a consistent customer that buys product boxes and resellers kits, I just want you to know, we will not be requiring you to ship any of those products out. We ship these products directly from the warehouse, from the source, so that you don't even have to ship, lift a finger, or worry about products or fulfillment at all. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.